For a perfect makeup, using a good facial primer will help create a continuous, long-lasting makeup look. Start by finding a primer that corresponds to the type of makeup you want to achieve. Choose a light foundation that matches your skin type and provide a medium to full coverage for a smooth, even finish. Try blending it with a damp sponge for more coverage.
Play with different shadows to enhance your natural look. A bright, shimmery eyeshadow is usually enough to add some drama. You may opt to apply false lashes for an even bolder effect.
Remember to always fill and shape your brows with brow pencils or a brow pomade and brush them into place for more support. Defining your eyebrows can make a big impact on your overall look.
Glam up with a bright, shimmery blush. Use a softer formula for daytime look and layer on more for glamorous night looks. Be sure to blend the blush perfectly with a brush.
Lastly, show off your elegance with a bold lip color. Apply a couple coats of lipstick for lasting effect and keep the rest of your look neutral to keep the focus on lips.